In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Bisq. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Bisq or BISQ. BISQ is a decentralized open source cryptocurrency exchange. It allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in a peer-to-peer manner. So I'm gonna give you a general guide on how to use it as a beginner. The very first thing that you have to do is download it from the official BISQ website. So you can go over to bisq.network and download the latest version of the software for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So I highly recommend using the software on your computer. If you want to follow this by yourself and you are curious on where to find instructions, you can click on Get Started at the top, and in here you will be able to browse through the instructions that I'm going to cover in this video, but you can do it on your own time and read more if you wish. So, after you are done downloading the software, you will have to set up your wallet. I highly recommend that before you do anything, you go over to the account page, so choose account on this menu that you can see at the top, and set up a strong password. You will also be able to configure your wallet seed and a possible backup, so always explore these options before you even start. This way, you will be able to trade knowing that you can always recover your account if something goes wrong and the security is breached. Now, with this done, you can actually start. So in here, you will have plenty of options. So as you can see at the top, the main one is going to be the market. You will have to set up a wallet before you can begin trading. So in order to trade Bitcoin or any other asset on Bisq, you've got to set up some way to send or receive funds. So you will be able to create a payment account. So choose the option at the top, and then you will see all of the offers available. If you aren't sure of which payment account to set up, you can browse through all of the official payment methods through the Get Started page. There are a lot of payment methods available in a lot of currencies. Once this is done, you will be able to browse through all of the options. So to start trading, deposit some Bitcoin into your account and browse through your portfolio. Once you have the funds available and they appear over here, you will be able to manage everything. So choose a trading plan, and whenever you go to buy Bitcoin, you can create and set up offers. So as you can see in this example, you will be able to set up the amount that you want to buy, the percentage below the market price, and the amount that you will be spending in actual currency. All of these will be converted automatically for you, and you can choose whichever option you prefer. Once you have selected the wallet, the trading plan, and you have placed the orders, you will be able to confirm the trade. Now, I apologize for not going super in depth, but for a video of this length, it is impossible to cover everything. But I hope I was able to give you instructions on how to get started on Bisq. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Bisq. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.